If equipped, the 15-watt 3-amp Qi wireless charging pad provides a wireless charge for your Qi-enabled mobile phone. You'll find the pad inside the center console. To use the wireless charging pad, simply set the phone on the pad with the screen facing upward. The charging indicator on your phone will let you know the phone is charging. If your phone is not equipped for Qi wireless charging, you can purchase an aftermarket sleeve or specialized backplate from your mobile phone provider or from an electronics retailer. Please see your phone's owner's manual for more information. Be careful never to place your key fob on or within 6 inches or 15 centimeters of the wireless charging pad. Doing so may cause excessive heat buildup and could damage the key fob. Placing the fob too close to the charging pad will prevent it from being detected by the vehicle and prevent the vehicle from starting. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.